Out of 1.5 crore NRIs worldwide, 66% of them are resided in the Gulf Cooperation Council, the 7 rich Arab states. And out of those 66%, which is 89 lakhs of Indians, 70%, which is 63 lakhs, are unskilled or semi-skilled. Now these 63 lakh people help Arab states to create world-class infrastructures. Now essentially of money can be seen in their life when they worked to their death in Doha, creating stadium for football players. So do you think they'll be willing to pay Indian government taxes and complete all the RBI compliances to bring their wages back to India and support their family in a village? And that is why they are supported by the Hawala payment system. The worker in UAE gets paid in local currency of UAE. The worker contacts the Hawala agent known as Hawaldar and gives the amount he wants to transfer to his family in India. The worker then receives a code number which he sends to his family. The UAE Hawaldar contacts his associate in India with the information about the transfer. The worker's family present the code as evidence to demand the payment. Code is usually in a form of text message, and traditionally it was like in the old pictures, use of card or chits. The Indian Hawala agent, Indian Hawaldar, delivers the equivalent in Indian rupees in cash to the worker's family after deducting a small percentage of commission. In actual, no money is transferred between UAE and India, but at the end, multiple transactions coming from both UAE to India, India to UAE are settled whether in cash, gold or jewelry rather than transferring net cash cross border.